Alright, what is going on, guys? So it's been a little while since we've had a video. Sorry if the lighting is terrible in here, but car's still in the garage. Waiting on a couple parts coming in. I got exhaust system coming in from Hall Built Performance, and I'm just doing a little install today. We got these from Z1 Motorsports, which is the little PVC valve, or these things basically. It's like a PCV system. So basically mine's is like split on the tube, so I'm just replacing that, and it makes it look a little better. I've done a couple of things. I mean, I wrapped this in carbon, even though it kind of looks like shit. I just hate the way it looks. We wrapped the mirrors. I've done the door handles. But yeah, other than that, everything's pretty much the same. We do have new parts though. So, new parts. I got new spacers I got to put on for the rear. We got GTR injectors. All the stuff for the injectors. Extended studs I still got to put on. Just stab myself. I think that's it for now. Oh, and then a fuel pump also that we got to put in. So you already know. That means we got some good stuff coming soon. So be ready. You got to follow, subscribe. You follow, you subscribe. It helps the process get done quicker. I'm not making money out of it, but if if it shows that, you know, you guys want to see the build and whatnot, and even if you don't, I don't really give a shit, because I'm still gonna build my car. So, but either way, so let's get into this install real quick. Yeah. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is not drop your fucking tools. Alright. There is a flathead right here next to your intake. Loosen that off. Pops off. Move it out the way. Might as well take this off because you're going to need the clamp. Then you get your long nose I can't think what everything's fucking called right now. Your pliers, your long nose pliers. Helps when you can't see. And then it just slides off. This clamp's a little bit of a bitch. So we're gonna do one side at a time, that way we don't get mixed up on which one's which you shouldn't be able to, but yeah. So these are the new ones. You would think, yeah, there we go. So it goes like this. So the logo goes on top, and then it goes right in here. So what I'm gonna do is do the hardest bit first. These are really nice, to be honest, compared to the stock ones. The stock ones are ugly as hell looking. Now, you want to make sure you put this somewhere that you can actually get the freaking thing. So, put it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this way up, further up, and then slide it on. Takes a lot of pushing this for sure. I'd say that's on pretty good. So then, pop that one on. These hoses are a lot fatter, so they're not fatter inside, but it's just a thicker hose because they're made out of better material. So you want to make sure your clamp is definitely loose enough. So makes your job easier. Like that. So now that's on. You slide a clamp over it, and we're good to go. So that's what it looks like. You connect it down here, and then you connect it up here. And this is what was in place of it. And you can already see mine was chewed up. So, it's definitely a lot better system. It goes right to it. I don't know why Nissan didn't do this in the first place. I'm guessing it's some type of shit for California. So, I'm gonna do the next side. I heard this side's a little harder, but we don't see. But it gets rid of this big, nasty, stupid fucking thing. So, I'll get back to you once we start that. Alright, so this one you gotta actually take the cover off. Ow. I don't know where my battery went for my drills. So, gonna be using a T-handle. Alright, and pop this bad boy off. So that's what they both look like. It's two little hoses here. We replaced it from having these, which is one ugly setup, and the other one is somewhere over here. I lost it. There you go. Here's the other one. So yeah, it's definitely a better look. I just gotta put this cover back on and we're done. So it's just a little video. So if you do like the video, give it a little like, give us a comment, let us know what you want to see. And like I said, there's going to be a video coming soon for tune. I'm going to have a tune video. I'm going to have custom exhaust video from Hall Built Performance, waiting for that exhaust to come in. Full system. It's going to be sick, and it's going to be something different that you've never probably ever seen before, because it's all custom made. Like I said, there's a nice fingerprint on the screen, and got E85 injectors going in, fuel pump, and whatever else we're gonna get. So it's the car done, and it should be in here for like another couple weeks, hopefully. We'll see. And yeah, so if you like the video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it won't be too long. I'm trying. There's nothing in the video, so there's no point in me making a video for no reason, even though this was kind of one of them. But so yeah, like the video and subscribe. Appreciate you guys.